Peep and Ducky Rainy Day by David Martin. Illustrated by David Walker. Ducky's in his house on a wet, rainy day. In comes Peep, yelling, "Ducky, want to play?" Ducky runs to Peep. Peep runs to Ducky. Such good friends. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Ducky says, "Tent." Peep says, "Hide." So they hang up a blanket and crawl inside. Peep whispers, "Shh, it's dark, it's night." Then he shouts out, "Pillow fight!" Down goes the tent. Kabam! Kaboom! And pillows fly across the room. Peep falls down, right on Ducky. They bonk heads, not so lucky. "What's happening?" says Papa. "Nothing," says Ducky. And Papa just laughs. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Then Peep looks out and says, "It's pouring." "But playing inside," says Ducky, "is boring." So Peep gets his boots, and Ducky does too. Peep's are red, and Ducky's are blue. "Hey," says Ducky, "watch this trick. Open sesame umbrella. 1, 2, click." But whoosh, the wind is blowing hard, and the umbrella flies across the yard. But Ducky holds on, and Peep holds Ducky, and away they fly. Lucky, lucky, lucky. "Hey, look," says Ducky, "the umbrella can float." "Climb in," says Peep, "it's a boat." "I'm the captain," says Peep, but Ducky says, "Me!" And they shout and shout, "No me, no me." "Me and you," says Peep. "Two captains," says Ducky. And that settles that. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Then the wind blows harder and the little boat tips. It rocks, it rolls, it flops, it flips. Boom, it thunders, and Peep cries, "Wow!" "Come in," yells Papa. "Come in right now." "We made it," says Peep. "We made it," says Ducky. "I was scared," says Peep. "Me too," says Ducky. "Uh-oh," says Ducky. "Your mama's outside." And Peep says, "Quick, come on, let's hide." "I see you," says Mama. "And I know, you want to stay, but we need to go." "See you soon," says Peep. "On the moon," says Ducky. Such good friends. Lucky, lucky, lucky. The